happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can take those drone shots without having a drone. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next videos to come on tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android, and a bunch of unboxings as well, just like this one, and accessories for your iPhone and your camera gear. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. So basically this is a little tripod mount for your iPhone/photography needs. And with this, you'll be able to take those drone shots up above using any phone. Maybe you have a DJI OSMO POCKET like I have. You'll be able to mount it on here. And let's open it up and take a look at the quality and the style of this. It's also a tripod. It's also, well, drop that. It's also a tripod mount, so a little bag right here. Nothing inside, maybe a little literature. Let's put that on the side. So first thing that dropped, little accessories here. A GoPro mount, okay. Let's put that on the side for now. What's this? Let's look at the literature right here. Bunch of things here. There you go, little remote. Bluetooth remote shutter. If you like that, for me, I'm probably not gonna use that, but let's put that on the side. As you can see, this is the Ubeesize, pretty much multifunctional selfie stick tripod set. So you'll be able to have a tripod just like that. It's pretty long. This one's 51 inches, or it says here 47 inches to be exact. And basically, you'll be able to mount your camera up there, your phone. You'll be able to take those drone shots. So here we go. Let's keep opening these things up. This is the little remote that they gave us. iOS, Android. That's pretty cool. Let's put that on the side for now. Well, let's take a look at if they have a battery. They gave us battery or not. Oh, they did. Pretty cool. So the battery is CR2032. There you go. Pretty easy stuff. Let's put that on the side for now. So tripod mount. Let's unbox. Let's take off this plastic here. Right there, it's a little iPhone mount. You put your phone there, just test it out, just like that. It's pretty cool. A little handy too, because you can fold it. Very nice. Very nice. Good addition, good addition. Open this thing up now. It has some weight to it as well, so if you're not able to carry it with one hand, then it'd be a little bit of a problem, especially once you have a camera mounted on that. So basically this is pretty basic. You just loosen that, and this is just a little stand just like that. And you'll be able to have a stand for your iPhone or for your camera, and this will be able to extend as well by flipping those just like that. So this acts as a selfie stick / stand for your iPhone. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of testing for this. So go ahead and check that out. Stay tuned. Again, this can extend up to 50 feet or 50 inches. This is pretty cool. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing for camera needs, so you can take those drone shots without having a drone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well, so you can be notified of the next videos to come of unboxing and reviews just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. I hope you guys have a good day. Comment below as well if you're using one of these and how you would use it for your everyday life. Have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.